Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to find devices or apps access your Alipay account personal information. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on account from the bottom side right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon from the top. Click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on privacy. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on personal information manager. Click on that. So it takes you right here. All the apps that have access to your data on Alipay is going to be found right here. And at this point here, if you find out that some apps here are not eligible to have access to your information before your Alipay account got hacked, what you need to do is to simply review. And for you to review, simply click on the app. For instance, I'm going to click on this Tower app. So having clicked on the app, it's going to load up to authorization detail. So these are the informations this app have about my Alipay account. They have access to my gender, location profile, and nickname. They have access to my business license expiration, etc. And they have access to my ID. So if you want to deauthorize any of the app that have access to your Alipay data, what you need to do is to simply click on deauthorize from the bottom right here. And it's as simple as that. You will be logged out the app that have access to your Alipay account, and your Alipay account is going to be safe from any third party or hacker. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find devices or app that have access to your Alipay account and how you can deauthorize them in Alipay in order to protect your Alipay account. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks and how best to use Alipay account. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.